Okay, now that we've added some conversational skills, let's head back to the build section. And let's add some more content. In this case, we want to add an image of our cheerleaders. Let's call the block Cheerleaders. Add an image card. And let's select the cheerleaders. This one looks good. Let's upload. And we only have one image at the moment. So let's write up a quick excuse and let's say that we might have some more later on. Let's also add a button so the user can head back to the menu. And here we go. Now we need to add this block to the menu so that a user can find it. Let's go to a menu. Let's add a new item to the gallery card. And let's use roster as a title image. Try up our team, 2016 roster and cheerleaders. Let's add a button for our cheerleaders. And here we go. Now this button is immediately available in the bot and everyone can access the cheerleaders block we just created.
So let's just get the menu using our AI rules and then scroll to our new item and press cheerleaders. Awesome. Now we can easily head back to the menu and add more content in the next lessons.